Hello there, and welcome back to the Dreemo channel. Tonight, we turn our attention to the most pervasive and patient element of all, air and the atmosphere. This invisible ocean surrounds us, governing weather, carrying scent, and silently protecting the entire planet. We will explore the quiet movement of air and other light matter, reminding us that the greatest forces are often those we cannot see. If you enjoy these gentle, quiet journeys designed for deep rest, please remember to press the like button and gently click subscribe to join our Calm community. Your support ensures that the calm continues to flow. Now, let the invisible, steady flow of the atmosphere stabilize your mind and guide you to deep rest. Fact 1. The quiet weight of the atmosphere. While air seems weightless, the entire column of air pressing down on every square inch of the Earth's surface exerts significant pressure. This immense, quiet weight, totaling over 5 trillion tons globally, is constantly and uniformly applied, ensuring the balance and quiet stability of our planet's liquids and gases. We are surrounded by an ocean of air whose quiet pressure keeps life functioning perfectly. Fact 2. The silent flow of air currents, the jet stream. High above the Earth, massive, invisible rivers of air known as the jet stream flow at incredible speeds. These strong air currents govern global weather patterns, but move with absolute silence, operating outside the range of human perception. Their immense power is a quiet, constant force that shapes continents and climates without ever making a sound. Fact 3. The diffusion of scent. Quiet chemical travel. A scent travels from its source, like a flower or a pine tree, to your nose through the process of diffusion. Odor molecules quietly and slowly mix with air molecules, spreading gradually from high concentration to low concentration. This invisible, quiet chemical journey allows the distant fragrance of nature to gently and patiently reach you. Fact 4. Thermal stillness. The power of vacuum. A perfect vacuum, the absence of matter, is the ultimate insulator. Because there are no air molecules to collide, heat energy cannot be transferred by conduction or convection. This complete, empty stillness is a profound demonstration of quietude, blocking the transfer of kinetic energy and stabilizing the internal temperature of any object it surrounds. Fact 5. The quiet hum of ozone. The ozone layer, high in the atmosphere, silently and constantly absorbs the sun's most dangerous ultraviolet radiation, protecting all life below. This ongoing quiet absorption is a continuous chemical process where energy is neutralized without a sound. The ozone layer is our planet's silent, energetic shield, constantly at work in the upper atmosphere. Fact 6. Brownian motion in gases. Just as in liquids, molecules in the air are constantly moving, causing tiny suspended dust particles to stagger randomly. This Brownian motion in gases demonstrates that even when the air appears perfectly still, its invisible components are in constant, ceaseless, chaotic, yet quiet movement. Fact 7. The persistence of air in solids. Aerogels. Aerogels are synthetic solids, often called frozen smoke, composed of up to 99.8% air by volume. They are solid, yet incredibly light and transparent. This structure proves that stillness and stability can be achieved even when composed almost entirely of quiet, trapped air, demonstrating a solid form built on pure atmospheric quietude. Fact 8. The quiet radiance of the aurora. The aurora borealis, northern lights, is a visible phenomenon caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in the upper atmosphere. Though the light display is dynamic, The collisions themselves are essentially silent, occurring in the vacuum of near space. The aurora is a visible, silent testament to the quiet electromagnetic battle between the sun's energy and Earth's atmosphere. Fact 9. The slow motion of atmospheric dust. The highest layers of the atmosphere are constantly being sprinkled by microscopic dust particles originating from meteors or deep space. These particles slowly and patiently drift downwards, eventually settling on the Earth's surface over many months or years. This slow, quiet cosmic snowfall adds tiny, continuous traces of the universe to our planet.
Fact 10. Isothermal processes. Quiet balance. An isothermal process is one that occurs at a constant temperature. When a gas is slowly and carefully compressed or expanded while the temperature is held perfectly steady, the process is quiet and orderly. This quiet, controlled change is a fundamental demonstration of thermodynamic balance and stillness. Fact 11. The quiet respiration of Earth. The entire Earth breathes quietly through its carbon cycle. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is absorbed by plants and the ocean during the day and released at night. This massive global exchange of gas is a continuous, rhythmic, and entirely silent process, defining the planet's slow, constant metabolic rate. Fact 12. The patience of cloud formation. Clouds are formed by microscopic water vapor condensing around tiny airborne particles, condensation nuclei. This process requires immense quiet patience, as billions of invisible molecules slowly gather and aggregate until they become visible as a cloud. A cloud is a visible sign of silent collective molecular work. Fact 13. Absolute zero. The stillness of cold. The theoretical temperature of absolute zero, 0 Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, represents the point where atoms cease all classical motion and vibration. It is the ultimate boundary of thermal quietude and stillness, a point where kinetic energy is minimized to its quantum limit. Fact 14. Sublimation. Quiet phase transition. Sublimation is the quiet process where a solid, like dry ice, turns directly into a gas, skipping the liquid phase entirely. This chemical change occurs silently and invisibly as the solid matter gently and patiently disperses directly into the atmosphere, demonstrating a smooth, noiseless transformation of matter. Fact 15. The quiet force of capillary action. Capillary action allows water to climb upwards through narrow spaces, defying gravity. This quiet molecular force, driven by the cohesion of water molecules and the adhesion to the container walls, is responsible for drawing water up through soil and plant roots. It is an unseen, persistent, quiet strength. Fact 16. The stillness of laminar flow. When a fluid or air moves in a smooth, quiet path without turbulence or mixing layers, it is called laminar flow. This condition requires great control and is the ultimate state of aerodynamic quietude, demonstrating that efficiency often requires a perfect, unmixed, silent path. Fact 17. The silence of the exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere, where air is so thin that molecules rarely collide. It is a region of near-perfect vacuum and silence. This layer represents the patient, quiet transition from the Earth's atmosphere to the vacuum of deep space. Fact 18. The quiet dampening of atmospheric pressure. The overall air pressure dampens or muffles distant sounds. The atmosphere acts as a giant, subtle sound filter, absorbing and scattering sound waves over distance, ensuring that only the loudest, most immediate sounds penetrate our consciousness, providing a constant, ambient quietude. Fact 19. The gentle rise of balloons. Buoyancy. A hot air balloon rises due to buoyancy, the quiet force caused by the density difference between the hot air inside the balloon and the cooler, heavier air outside. This gentle, quiet lifting is a perfect demonstration of nature using subtle density differences to create silent, graceful movement. Fact 20. The endless flow of the global circulation. Ultimately, the global atmospheric circulation, encompassing the jet stream, Hadley cells, and global winds, is a closed, continuous, and entirely silent system of energy distribution. This endless quiet cycle is the fundamental source of meteorological stillness and balance. Let the invisible, steady rhythm of the air guide your mind to its most peaceful rest.